Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magba-vlog lang ako. Pupunta ako ng Ukay kasi gusto ko mag-ukay ngayon. Wala naman din akong ginagawa. So, why not go and explore the world? Char. And mamaya, magkikita kami siguro nila Jorlan tsaka ni Miko. Dadalhin ko lang kayo kung saan ako mapupunta ngayon. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below so that you'll be one of my subscribers. And so, I'll see you guys later.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Hi guys, so I'm with Bob. Hi. So bago lang po siya dumating dito. So I spent more than 2 hours here sa Ukay. And I saw again another shirt. Hi guys, so update. Mga almost, hapit na mag-10 ako na.
Hi guys.
Almost mga 10 na ata yung nabili ko.
I'm not hot but
Ayun.
I'm sweaty.
And hi boss.
Hi.
I saw Barcelona short.
So
My
I'm with
favorite
them.
team.
Hindi ako ng volleyball na ano.
I saw Barcelona shirt.
Short.
Viva Barca.
8, A6, 8.
And then I'm so happy because almost all of them kay mga branded shirts.
I saw Supreme. And
Yeah.
it's just
Oo nga
20
pala,
pesos.
yung nakita nyo kanina na Supreme, binili ni Bob kasi I convinced him na masyadong mahal yun if you bought it in a mall or retail store. Ang price range pala dito kay merong 10 pesos hanggang 40 pesos. Tapos yung nabili namin na item mga around 20 pesos. So it's a good steal na din.
Kanina.
Mayroon na oras. Mayroon. Kaya guys, Ponda.
Ha?
Chelsea boss.
Nila ko sila dito sa Sapatosan na Ukay. So what can you say, boss?
First time ko dito. So, wow, na-shock ako. Ang daming sapatos. Wala akong
So,
masabi. Tapos gusto
diba?
kong bumili, tapos walang pera.
Maka-overwhelm.
Oo.
Na-shock lang ako kasi ang daming football shoes and sad to say di ako makakalaro.
Yeah.
Pero legit nice.
Diba? Kapag
Babalik ako dito.
maka-overwhelm.
Kung pwede lang magnako, ginawa ko na.
Guys, so I'm with them na.
Hi!
Hi!
Di tara karon man.
So karon magkaon daw mi. Asa ta karon?
Sagdan sa keepsake.
Ay, so,
Go sa opportunity.
Andito po kami sa Sukidan. Sa Obrero branch. And dito kami kakain ng dinner. Hey guys, so ito po yung order namin. So guys, for katsudon, Mount Apo Maki, California Maki, Digong Maki, Chicken Teriyaki. Sige na, John.
Tonkatsu.
Ha?
Tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu.
Mata ko, di ba din eh?
Hi guys, we're done eating and hindi po naubos yung akin. So, I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. If you have some suggestion for my next video, please comment down below. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. So, I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.